The ground is fading, the world is small. I'm standing steady, I'm standing tall. Beyond the towers, beyond the glass, watching the clouds and the shadows pass. Everything moves at the speed of sound. Nothing can keep me on the ground. I see the future in the gold.